Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please do not manifest the energy of others, since this is not your personal reading. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. If it is not your story and your energy, just leave it. Because this is not for all Scorpios. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading about love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. If the energy will not happen to you, it could also be happen to the people around you, in your family, in your workplace, and your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please, use your own discernment, okay? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine spirits, spiritual animals, divine angels. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything: love, money, career, business, and studies, the past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Before I start my reading, I would like to greet you all happy holidays, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, wherever you are in the world. Let me see your intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful reading for today, because you are, right? Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Well. First, we have the Hierophant. This is a Taurus energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Taurus, not necessary. Could also be a person who is, could also be a practitioner or a person who is working with a religious group. Could also be a religious organization. Somebody here is, is enlightened because they have seen the truth of who you are. For most of you guys, this is related to your faith and commitment. You stand with the truth. And that's why the truth come out. Because you stand with the truth, for you, only the truth will set you free. And somebody here have seen the truth of who you are. It could also be that this person is a practitioner, or they engage you to a practitioner. Could also be a tarot card reader because they wants to know about your life. Others of you, it could also be that these are the group of coven who are now exposed for what they have done on you. Could also be that somebody in the past lying on you and now they are being exposed. This is the truth because you stand with the truth. Your faith is stronger than their lies. This is, the truth is mightier than the fiction. And this is the present situation because the truth come out. There are people in the past who painted illusion on you. It could also be that a religious group is involved here. You could also be different beliefs, tradition, culture, and somebody here doesn't want you to stand with the truth because they pissed. These are the people who are triggered with the truth because they are living the lies contradict to the truth. And since they couldn't hide the truth, somebody here wants to approach you. It could also be that this is the exposure of a marriage. Somebody here could also be, falsified the marriage contract. Or there could be a significant meaning for you about a marriage, or this relationship is over because somebody is lying. Could also, this is a new person. They wants to marry you, but there could be a problem. Somebody here could also be connected to a religious group of people. Could also be an elite. Could also be that this is related to traditional values, culture, or they perceive that you have different traditional values, culture, religion, and beliefs. And this person wants to tell you the truth. But this person as well wants to marry you, but there could be a problem here to their community, to their family. because they perceive that you have different beliefs, tradition, and culture. Or there could be somebody has contradict with this person to marry you. Take what's resonates because everyone is different, because there could be, I mean, they are just protecting the, could be traditional values, or this relationship was over because somebody is lying. This could also be your marriage. This could be your partner is engaging you to a love triangle and this marriage is over, or somebody is waiting that the divorce paper will come out because this person plan to approach you. He wants to tell you the truth. This person is planning to marry you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. If these are the group of coven who painted illusion on you, they are now being exposed. Could also be that somebody has paid the practitioner to lie on you. This is the truth, the exposure. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is, this is the Knight of Swords. An Aquarius is involved. Right? This person wants to talk with you. This is quick. This is abrupt. Somebody had decided already. Or this could also be a decision in the court. This is quick. This could also be related to the problem in the court. If you have problem, this is the truth. If you are on the right path, this is the truth. You're going to receive a quick message. Or this person is strategizing and analyzing how to talk with you, because this person believed the rumors, the gossips about you in the past. Now the truth come out. This could also be the group of people, could also be in their family, or could also be that this person is belong to a high profile and they are protecting their, could be traditional values. I don't know. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is having an authority, or they keep their traditional values, their culture, and or a religious group. I don't know what this is all about. You look, they are raging to talk with you. This is quick. They're analyzing and strategizing how to approach you. Could be an Aquarius or a Taurus. Could also be any other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your challenge here is the 8 of Pentacles. A Virgo is involved here. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8, number 80, 88. This could be the day of your birthday, your age, the year of your birthday, or that person you are dealing with. And this person wants to talk with you, strategizing and analyzing how to talk with you. But this person could also be having a problems with the traditional values. I don't know, a group, or could be an institution, or this person is, I mean, he wants to tell you the truth, because somebody having problem with, could be their family or the religions, I don't know, religious group, traditional value, culture, and somebody have perceived that you have different, or both of you having different beliefs or tradition. I told you, and this person, a group of people are provoking with this person to approach you in the past. In fact, they are lying on you. Now they have seen that you are focusing on your work. This could also be the group of people who tried to hinder your success. They are paying practitioner to lie on you, that nobody will support you, nobody will patronize your business. Take what resonates because everyone is different. But you come out as the 8 of Pentacles. They couldn't stop you because you stand with the truth, and the truth come out. That's why somebody wants to talk with you quickly. They're strategizing and analyzing how to approach you, because this person have seen the truth of who you are. The lies created with this person or the coven on you. They couldn't stop you because you are focusing on your work. In fact, you are in this energy of the 8 of Pentacles. Number 8 is what goes around, come back around. Whatever they have done on you, especially if they engage with a practitioner, lying on you, or somebody paying too much money to destroy your reputation, your work, and it didn't work because the truth come out. The truth is mightier than the fiction. And that's why this person is strategizing how to talk with you. And whatever they have done on you, rest assured that what goes around comes back around. I told you. And that's why somebody here wants to invest with you because they have seen the truth that you are only focusing on yourself. And this person, a group of people, are focusing on how to destroy you in the past. Now they couldn't stop you because you stand with the truth. This could also be the group of people who have different beliefs, tradition, culture. I don't know. This could be a group of elite. Oh my gosh, now this person is arranging to talk with you, strategizing on how to approach you because this person have seen the truth and they wants to invest with you. For some of you guys, you are no longer entertaining them anymore. Sorry. Because you have seen the truth of who they are. Or somebody is feeling entitled to your legacy. They wants to benefit from it. Take only what fits in your story. An Aquarius, a Virgo, a Taurus. Could also be any other sign. A group of people who are collaborating against you. Now they are being exposed. What goes around comes back around. This is your ascension, your abundance. And they couldn't stop you. Remember, number 880, 88 is significant on this reading. Let me see. 888 is your abundance. The other past situation is the 10 of Cups. Somebody who wants to fulfill your happily ever after. If you're already married, your partner wants to be more harmonious in a relationship. If these are the people in the past, especially in your family, they wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. I told you, they wants to tell you that they're going to support you. Could also be the people in your community who misjudge you, who painted an illusion on you, and now the truth come out. This could also be the people who did abracadabra and it didn't work because you stand with the truth. The people who tried to stop your work, now they wants to talk with you quickly, abruptly, raging to talk with you. For some of you guys, you cut off the ties, you're no longer entertaining them anymore. For some of these people as well, they are in your family. Or if you are single, ready to mingle, and negotiable, somebody here wants to offer you a happily ever after longevity in a relationship. Could be a Cancer, Pisces. Could also be any other sign. A Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius is involved here. Somebody who wants to have a family with you and you are no longer talking to them because this could also be the group of people who engage you to this abracadabra, who are painted lies on you. Now they have seen the truth and somebody who wants to talk with you, raging to talk with you. The truth come out as well if this is related in the court. Let me see. There could be a significant meaning with the number 10. You could be born on the 10th of the month in October, or you could also be dealing with a Capricorn. This is the present situation. The current is the Three of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody is disappointed. Because this is one of their wishes on you to cause you pain. But also this is your ex engaged to a third party situation and there could be loss and separation here. This relationship is over. This marriage is over because somebody here is betraying you. You look the Hierophant. And somebody is waiting for the divorce paper to approach you. Could also be that somebody is still holding back. Could be related to religious belief, culture, tradition. I don't know what this is all about. Could also that these are the group of 3 people who are collaborating against you. There could be a significant meaning with the number 330, 333. Please pay attention. This is related to your creativity, your celebration, and they are disappointed because whatever they have done on you, it didn't work and it backfires on them. The more they did this to you, the more they become exposed, and that's why they are pissed. I told you, a coven is involved here. Who is accepting the money from this person? Could also be an elite group of people who paid with this coven to lie on you. They are being exposed. They are pissed. They are disappointed because it didn't work. Or this is your ex who betrayed you with a one-night stand and the person they have chosen betrayed them as well. That's why they are disappointed. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to eradicate these negative thoughts. The truth is you are not heartbroken. It is impossible for us to love in this world. And we never experience betrayals, heartaches, and loss. This is normal. All you need to do is to eradicate these negative thoughts. This is only in your mind. I told you. Others of you guys, of course, you are disappointed because you have nothing to do with this person or group of people. I told you, all you need is to support them, to patronize their business, and they betrayed you. I told you. Now, they are raging to talk with you. or you are no longer entertaining with this person because you are no longer um, hanging with a person who has lots of mistresses, third party. As an intuitive person, you can perceive their energy. Or this relationship is over and somebody is waiting for the divorce and they wants to approach you, they wants to talk with you. Somebody here is no longer happy in a relationship. Could be an air sign is involved here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Because somebody chose the other person over you. And this person was the one who painted illusion on you. I told you. In fact, they engage you to a practitioner to lie on you. They are using lots of money, or this person is rich. And they are using people to stalk and destroy you, to tarnish your reputation, especially if you have business, that no one will patronize your business, no one will subscribe you if you have a platform. Now they are disappointed because it didn't work. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is involved here out of jealousy and envy. The future is the Five of Pentacles. I told you, you outshine them. They are feeling rejected, left out in the cold. These are the same people who prayed for your downfall. For some of you guys, this is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors, or in the society where you belong. Others of you don't know them because of jealousy and envy. Now that you outshine them, they are feeling rejected and abandoned by you. If this is the people around you, especially in your family, these are the people who always come out in your life if they need your support. If you are in the dark side of your life, they will not there for you. These are the people as well who wants to take everything from you. This is like a vampire. They will suck your blood and they will let you out cold and dead. These are the people who are doing abracadabra. They doesn't want you to have growth. They are doing love spells, money spells, everything because of jealousy and envy. Now they are the one who is experiencing this because for most of you, you are innocent. You stand with the truth. I told you. Somebody could also be losing opportunity. Their marriage are crumbling down. This is the part of their wishes on you. The relationship was over. In their family, there are people who are passed away because this is one of their wishes on you, that you are alone, that you are rejected. Nobody will support you. Nobody will help you. This is like you against the world. Because for some of these people, they are paying a witch because they are using money. Now that they couldn't stop you, oh my gosh, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 5, 50, 55. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo is involved. There could also be any other sign. There is a change of your life. And that's why they're disappointed. You are no longer in this energy of left out in the cold. Of course, for most of you guys, you are also disappointed because they scam your money. Despite of your support, now you are no longer supporting them because you have learned your lesson. They took your kindness for granted a minimum of 5 years. 5 plus 5, a minimum of 10 years. A minimum of 8 years, 3 years. Can you imagine? A minimum of 10 years? This is so long. 5 years is also so long. Now, somebody here could also be losing their job, their opportunity, their home, and the relationship was over because this is the part of their wishes on you, to cause you pain, to disappoint you. In fact, they are paying practitioner to lie on you. I told you. Could also be that this is the family of that person who wants to approach you because they doesn't want this person to approach you. Could also be that they belong to a high society, an elite group of people, and it doesn't want your partner, your twin flame, or your soulmate to come to you because you have different beliefs. Take what resonates because everyone is different, or they are discriminating you, that you are not belong to their family. Somebody here wants you to be rejected in the past. Now they are the one who's experiencing this. Their lives shambles for coming against you, and this is the part of their karma. I told you. This is the future. Or somebody here wants to engage you to a third party situation to disappoint you. And they wants to leave you alone in the cold. Good luck, whoever you are. I told you, if I were you, go and heal yourself. This is over, people. Whatever you manifest to somebody else, you are manifesting this to yourself. Remember that. Now they are feeling rejected, alone. And whatever they wish on you backfires on them. They are losing job, homes, they are losing friends. All their wishes on you backfires on them. Let me see your attitude is the Two of Cups. You learn to love yourself unconditionally because you realize that you cannot pour others empty cup if your own cup is empty. This could also be the past people who wants to return and they wants to tell you that they are going to support you, they loves you. Be very mindful from the past people, or this person perceive you that you are their soulmate. For some of you guys, it could also that this is a couple. This is the part of their karma. They are now feeling left out in the cold. They lost everything for coming against you. A divorce, the relationship, somebody's lives here is shambles. Because this is the part of their wishes on you. Or somebody who wants to tell you that you are their soulmate. Be very mindful because somebody here is struggling. They are experiencing karma for coming against you. Number 8 is what goes around comes back around. Now they are the one who is experiencing all their wishes on you. I told you. Let me see your... Oh my gosh, they are obsessed on you, the outside influence. I told you, they are obsessed of controlling you, of destroying you. Because this is one of their wishes on you in the past. They want you to be obsessed with them, to be lustful to them. They did black magic, love spells, sex spells, money spells. That you don't have success in your career, in your creativity, in your love life. That you are going to obsess them, that you look like crazy, mad. That you are prolonged into depression. And somebody here could also be lying on you that you are a homewrecker, you are a drug addict, you are a narcissist, you are toxic. All what they said about you, they are now experiencing this. They couldn't bind you with the shackles because you are aware. You stand with the truth. Your faith is stronger than all their trickery, lies, and manipulation. I told you now they are being exposed. They couldn't control you because you stand with the truth. You knew the truth. For some of you guys, you could be a person who has a psychic abilities and that's why you can perceive their negative energy, or they are mad because they couldn't put you in a third-party situation. They couldn't play on you. They couldn't bind you with the shackles. They couldn't control you. Somebody could also be prolonged in an addiction and they perceive that you are the one who did this. I told you. They did black magic in order for you to look like paranoia, crazy, depressive. They are the one who is experiencing this now. I told you. Somebody have perceived you that you have lots of multiple partners, you are just a homewrecker, and now they are the one. They are being exposed because the truth come out. You look, they are toxic, manipulative, control freaks. These are also the people in your workplace, in your surroundings. Now they are losing the power to control you, but they are obsessed on you because this is the part of their karma. They want you to be obsessed with him. They are obsessed on you. They perceive that they hated you, but they couldn't stop watching your platform and social media, or they couldn't stop spying you outside your home. These are the people who are paranoia because they want you to be paranoia, crazy, depressive. Now they are the one who's experiencing this. For some of these people, guys, they twist the story that you are the devil Scorpio. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path because there is a Scorpio involved here who is involved with this mockery, this abracadabra. I told you. Now, the other one is experiencing all the negative energy they send on you, but they're still doing this because they don't believe in karma, they don't believe in God. You know why? Because their ancestors leave them. Leave them because their ancestors didn't care with this person or group of people because they are using their power in the dark. I told you. A Capricorn is involved here. This could also be a person who is obsessed on you because this is one of their wishes on you, to be lustful to them, to be obsessed to them. Now they are the one. This is the part of their karma. All they can do is to spy on you, to stalk on you in your platform or outside your home. Somebody here could also be money hungry, power hungry. For some of these people, they have everything, but they are insatiable. They want to control somebody else because they believe that only them can change the destiny of a person. They believe that they are better than God. and they are angry, they are so mad that you cannot bind you with the shackles, you cannot put you as a third party situation because you are no longer entertaining the devil. You said not today, Satan, not tomorrow, not forever. Now they are mad, but they're still obsessed on you, obsessed to control you, to destroy you. The universe advises you to protect your energy from this person, especially they're still doing abracadabra. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. I will send you back the negative energy tenfolds in the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. That's why I fully understand to love yourself unconditionally. One of this person could be they are pretending that, oh, Scorpio, you are my soulmate. Be very mindful. Listen to your intuition. Because somebody is obsessed on you. He wants to bind you with shackles. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the Two of Wands. An Aries is involved here or a fire sign. Could also be a couple. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 22222, or this person perceived that you are their soulmate. The Two of Cups. The Two of Wands. But somebody is obsessed on you. Obsessed is not love. This is toxic. I told you. Or he wants to engage you to a third party situation. Somebody here could also be marriage for money and fame, and this relationship is over. I told you. Somebody here could also be lying on you that you have lots of partners, you're a homewrecker, and they are now exposed that they are the one who did this. Oh my gosh. Because your first card is the Hierophant. That's why this relationship, this marriage is over. Somebody here wants to approach you. This person have now seen your value, your worth. Before, no. Or this person realized that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture, but the grasses are greener on your side because you managed to stand in your integrity. This person in the past doesn't want you to be an independent person because they want you to be codependent with them. They want to bind you with the shackles, codependency. And now they couldn't bind you with the shackles because you did it. That's why they tried to stop your work in the past, the Eight of Pentacles. They lied everything. They paid somebody else to destroy you, to stalk you. Your neighbor is involved here. Your neighbor is stalking on you, or there could be a video camera installed in your outside in your home, because somebody here is paying somebody else to destroy you, to stalk you, to, I don't know, to lie on you. Now they are being exposed, the Hierophant, because you stand with the truth. You managed to be an independent person, or this person has already decided to approach you because this relationship is over. But somebody here is obsessed. Be very careful. I told you. This could also be related to your you are hatching many ideas because you want to be an independent person. Others of you are already here in this independency. Because in the past, you are going to work with people. The people are only stealing your ideas. They are just using you like a garbage, that you do this, you do that, especially in your workplace. They want you to work, and they will pay you, what do you call this, too little. And they are not reciprocating your value instead, because I know that you don't like to do, what do you call this, sugarcoat. And that's why there are people in the past who are laughing on you. These are the people who perceive that you are crazy, especially in your workplace. You are not crazy. You are just only true. You are just, maybe you work too much, and this person, a group of people, perceive that you are crazy because this is the nature of your job, and you just work in. Now that you managed to be an independent person, they couldn't bind you with the shackles. You said goodbye, devil. This is over. Or this could be your ex who betrayed you with a one night stand. Now he wants to approach you because they found out that the person they have chosen betrayed them as well. This person is a toxic. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. The outcome here is, this is the Seven of Cups. Now they perceive you that you have too much option. Before, they are not reciprocating your value. Could also that this person is no longer confused. In the past, somebody here confused this person, a group of people who painted illusion on you. That you are like this, that you have lots of option, you are doing this lots of option. And somebody here could also be believed with the illusion painted with this group of people. That you are like this, you are like that. Somebody had wants to put you inside the box, and it didn't work because no one can keep the phoenix inside the box. Oh my gosh, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. A Scorpio is involved here There could be a significant meaning to the number 777. Please pay attention. Could also be a group of people. This is related to your spiritual awakening. This is related to your harmony celebration, the lucky 7. And this person is now awakened, but it's too late because you are no longer entertaining them. These are the people who painted illusion on you, delusional people, superficial. Now they are being exposed. And somebody has no longer confused of who you are. That's why this person is, decided to travel towards you, to approach you. I told you. Because you are not the way who see this person or group of people that you are. The coven is involved here, or somebody paying the coven. This person is no longer confused, but they perceive you that you have too much option because you're leveling up. The eight of Pentacles, and you are no longer engaging with the toxic people, and you learn to love yourself unconditionally. You stand with the truth. You have unconditional love to yourself. I told you. Now they are disappointed. They are feeling rejected, left out in the cold because you outshine them and you have too many options. Because this is one of their wishes on your right, to bind you with a shackle, the devil, to control you. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. Shame on you. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father, why the Knight of Swords in this reading, please? This is your challenge, the Knight of Swords. It is clarified as? It is clarified as lernen om liebe zu lieben. Learning and live your life with love. I told you. And this is what you are doing now. That's why they are feeling rejected by you. Because all their attacks, it leads you to love yourself unconditionally. And you knew your value. You knew your worth. Now somebody else is raging to talk with you. They want to tell you the truth. They're strategizing and analyzing how to approach you. They knew that you love yourself unconditionally. And the lies from these people who are paying money, who are paying coven, is also exposed. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. The truth, your advisor to stand with the truth and to love yourself unconditionally. For some of you guys, you'll learn to love yourself unconditionally. To love your life, because at least your advisor to love yourself when people don't love you. When nobody else will give you unconditional love, it's the time for you to love yourself unconditionally, right? Stand with the truth. And do not let this person or group of people to tell you what you are going to do, because you knew the truth. The only peace, because these are the people who are living the lives contradictory to the truth. Now they wants to talk with you. You look, oh my gosh, because they have found out the truth. For some of these people, it's too late. Why the Hierophant that is reading? Please tell me more about the Hierophant here, please. It is clarified as Reichtum on fully. Wealth and Reichtum is wealth. Yes. Somebody here wants to fulfill your dreams. I told you. Or they perceive you that you can create great things to become a successful person. That's why somebody wants to invest with you. This person could be a Taurus, or this person belongs to an elite group of people. Could also be a religious organization. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is wealthy, or you could be a wealthy person. And this person wants to fulfill your dreams, or you are the one for this person. Take what's resonates, because everyone is different. Somebody wants to invest you. They perceive you that you are abundance and you can create great things to become a successful person. Could be a Taurus, could also be any other sign. A person who has an authority, a person who is rich. Why the Three of Swords in this reading? Please, it is clarified as personality. They love your personality. Or somebody had tarnished your reputation. Destroy your personality because of jealousy and envy. Now they are being disappointed. You look, they are disappointed because it didn't work, because you stand with the truth. Somebody here could also be love your personality, and they are feeling sorry because they believe the lies of this group of people about you. They are disappointed. Now they have seen the truth of who you are. They like your personality. Take only, or you stand with your integrity. And that's why no matter how they try to cause you pain, No matter how they try to disappoint you, you stand in your integrity and with the truth. And that's why they are disappointed. Because your faith is stronger than their mockery, than their illusion. Clarify me, Father. What the five of Pentacles, sir, please? It is clarified as the beast of Den Holtzwig. I told you. They wants to, they wants to control you. They said that you are on the right path. They tried everything to control you, but it didn't work. It ended up with their own misery, the Five of Pentacles. I told you. Because they want you to be alone, rejected. Nobody will support you. This is like you against the world. And now the wishes on you backfires on them. Because they believe that you are on the right, you are in the wrong path. Whoever you are, how dare you to say somebody else that they are in the wrong path. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. And earth signs involve her, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Oh my gosh. Now they are feeling rejected. That you outshine them. They are feeling not enough. Why the devil her, please? It is clarified as wild, unglücklich. They perceive you that you are wild and happy. I told you. And that's why they are so mad, because they couldn't control you. They couldn't play with you. They couldn't engage you to a third-party situation. They couldn't bind you with the shackles. Capricorn is involved here. But they are obsessed on you. Obsessed of destroying you. Obsessed of putting you in a third-party situation. They're mistresses because you are wild and happy. Well, they are more mad. But they are obsessed on you. They couldn't stop stalking you. Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Why the Seven of Cups in this reading? Just tell me more. It is clarified as a Joker 3, Erdi Heilung. Your advisor to continue your healing journey, or somebody who needs to heal the old wounds between you and them. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be the power of 7. 77 is significant in this reading. Yeah, look. Somebody could also be needs healing, but they refuse to heal because of their ego. Because they perceive that they are healthy. Oh my gosh. And it doesn't want to expose in the public that they are sick. Oh my gosh. Clarify me, Father. Why the... Why, oh why? Why the Eight of Pentacles in this reading? Please tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles. It is clarified as Ausgedanken with Materie. Material. Because you manifest it with your thoughts and you take it an action. That's why you are in this energy of the Eight of Pentacles. And somebody is feeling entitled with your hard work. Could be a Virgo or somebody who wants to invest with you. Could also be a person who was born in the 8th of the month, 80 years old, 88 years old. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Who was born in 1980, 88. Oh my gosh. But whatever they have done on you backfires, and the number 8 is what goes around comes back around. Your manifestations is here because you manifest it in your thoughts and then you take an action. That's why no one can stop you. No one can bind you with a shackle. All you can do is to obsess on you, to stalk on you. But they are disappointed because you rise above the tribulations. They are feeling rejected, not enough. The reason why they want to, they're strategizing how to talk with you abruptly. I told you, but they are disappointed. Lots of people are disappointed because this is one of their wishes on you. The people who tried to paint a lotion on you, who engage you to a coven, mockery, try to destroy you, paying other people, they are disappointed because you rise above the tribulations. The people who say that you are in the wrong path, they are also disappointed. Now they are feeling rejected, abandoned, left out in the cold. They are losing all opportunities, relationship, crumbling down, shambles. All their wishes on you backfires because number 8, what goes around comes back around. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.